Welcome to Droning On with the letter Q. You've just bought a drone. You now have a 4K gimbal stabilized flying camera that you can go around the world with. You can take all the pictures of those sweeping mountain vistas, cool canyons that just don't stop, and those dank ass rock formations. You're gonna go everywhere, do everything. National Geographic, here you come. Just kidding, joke's on you, you live in Florida. Literally America's Wang. Not only is it hotter than the devil's taint, this has got to be the flattest place on earth. There are salt flats in the Middle East that are calling Florida and asking for their style back. I'm pretty sure that the tallest point in Florida is either a cell phone tower or Michael Eisner's ego. Once you're done inspecting the curvature of the earth, and you want to take some other pictures, you might be able to go look at some swamps and maybe birds. And now, introducing boats. We have so many boats. If you happen to look away from the boats momentarily, you'll see the other thing Florida has in spades. Beaches. We have so many beaches. We have 3 coastlines all filled with beaches, an island chain underneath of us with even more beaches, and our theme parks and resorts. They have imitation beaches so that even when you're away from the beach, you can go to the beach. We have the softest sand for under your toes and azure water out as far as the eye can see. And when you're not at the beach, you can go visit our surf shacks and crab houses and see the condos for old people with flood insurance and too much money. Good luck trying to find a place to fly your drone though. Between all the airports and military bases and no-fly zones and national parks and state parks, the FAA will surely send their attack helicopter with their goons to get you after the wealthy condo owners call on you for disturbing their peace. And if you do perchance find a place to fly, do be careful not to hit anybody and cause them any sort of injury that would leave you with a financially crippling lawsuit and the lingering guilt that you've caused someone injury to their body or person. But this is supposed to be fun. Enjoy your hobby. Have a great day. Go out. Get outside. Taste the sun. They say it elevates your mood. They even say it causes melanoma.
The sun is a deadly laser.
Well, thanks for listening, guys. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this as I did making it. I was trying to write a video without having a script, and I edited it to music, and we can see the rabbit hole that I fell down on that one. So enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of the footage. Have a good one. Bye.